The leaves are a good color this season. Yes, and the berries are abundant here. Let's check this one. It looks promising. The thorns are strong, a good sign. We start by removing these older branches. Yes, to let more light in. Exactly. Now for these lower shoots. Cutting them improves airflow. This will lead to a better harvest.
Monitor the temperature gauge. We need 65 degrees. Confirmed. Starting the flow now. Good. Check the pressure valves. Valves are stable. Extraction is at full capacity.
The berry structures are highly concentrated. Yes, and the leaf cells show strong integrity. Excellent. Let's document this for the report. The Sea Buckthorn shipment is set for Friday. Are the containers ready? Yes, they're labeled and sealed. We'll need to check the manifests. Good. Let's confirm the schedule with the shipping line. Agreed. We must ensure smooth export. Let's check this sensor. The readings are low. Okay, I'll adjust it. Hold on. Good. It's stabilizing. How's the pH? Neutral. We can optimize the water flow now. Seal these packages securely for the shipment. Understood. I have the next batch ready. Good. The export deadline is approaching. Almost done. These will ship on time.
These berries have a good color. Yes, they look very consistent. Let me see the ones over here. They are the same. A good harvest. Yes, very even in color.
The line is running at peak efficiency. Yes, filling accuracy is at 99.9%. Excellent. Monitor the capping process. Cappers engaged, labels applying. Let's check this row. Pull it tight. Okay, it's taut. What's the reading? Exactly 50 centimeters. That's perfect. Good. Let's check the next one. Right. Keep the spacing even.
Here are the Sea Buckthorn certificates. Thank you. Let's check the purity. It shows 99.5%. That's excellent. And the batch number matches. Good. It's all in order.
The yield is up to 1,250 tons. Processing efficiency is at 92%, and quality is high at 4.8. Let's check the regional breakdown. The East is ahead of target. Let's stack these higher. Okay, I'll help you. Put the next one up there. Got it. Initiating HPLC analysis of the sea buckthorn extract now. The chromatogram shows high flavonoid and vitamin C levels. These results confirm its potent nutritional profile.
Let's review the distribution schedule for sea buckthorn. The northern region needs more stock on the 15th. Agreed. I'll adjust the quantities. Good. Let's confirm the logistics.
For sea buckthorn, sustainable water use is key. But how do we ensure the plants get enough? We use drip irrigation to minimize waste. Yes, and it helps the plants thrive in this soil. Scrub the screens well? Yes, and I'll rinse. Check the nozzles now. Spraying them now.
This batch is at 110 degrees. Monitor closely. It's steady. Should we increase to 120? Yes, adjust it. Watch for stability. Confirmed. Holding at 120.
This section is almost ready. Yes, just a bit more leveling. These berries look ripe and ready. Yes, check for firmness. They are perfect for harvest.
Let's review the Sea Buckthorn export certificate. Okay, the batch number is SB 2024. Confirmed. 5,000 kilograms to Jebel Ali. The organic certification stamp is here. Good. Let's check the invoice.
Welcome. This is our Sea Buckthorn processing line.
Amazing. How are the berries sorted?
Machines sort by size and ripeness. Here, the ripe ones move forward. Incredible efficiency.
So vibrant.
Stack them neatly in rows. Got it. These are heavy. Almost done with this row. Next row starts here.
Sea buckthorn roots anchor into the desert soil, stabilizing the ground. The fibrous network binds sand particles, preventing erosion. This adaptation enables the plant to thrive in arid conditions.
Let's check the clarity now. Yes, pour it slowly. It's very clear, no sediment. I agree, it's excellent quality. Perfect, let's proceed. Heater 1 is holding steady at 85. Good. I'm increasing heater 2 to 92. Cooler is stable. Extraction is at 78. Perfect. All systems are optimal.
The bed here needs more depth. Yes, I'll add another layer. Good. Keep the rows straight.
These are the latest Sea Buckthorn shipment papers. Good. Let's review the certificate of origin. Here it is. Product is Hippophyrum noidis. Perfect. That's compliant. Let's proceed.
Welcome. This is where the sea buckthorn berries begin their journey. The conveyor moves them to the washing tank, then to the press. From here, the juice is extracted and bottled.
Incredible. So efficient.
Stack them in rows of 6. Yes, almost done with this row. These are heavy. Keep them straight. Good. Next stack over there.
Let's check the clarity. Holding it to the light, it's very clear and golden. No sediment at all. Excellent quality.
Adjusting the speed to 60 bags. Check the seals. Seals are good, ready for the run. Initiating now. Looks stable, a good run.
Let's arrange these sea buckthorn oils first. Good idea. I'll group the supplements here. Perfect. Now for the juices in this row. Looks great. Ready for the showcase. Excellent.
The charts show steady growth in the first quarter. Yes, but yield dips in month 4. Is that seasonal? It is. The recovery is strong after. Good. This supports our investment. Caps are sealing tight.
Yes, very precise.
These are ready for packing. I'll box them now. The Sea Buckthorn shipment is set for the 15th. Good. I've reviewed the routes. They're optimal. The tablet confirms 50 tons to Europe. Excellent. Let's confirm the paperwork. Agreed. Temperature stable at -25. All systems optimal. Confirm. Monitoring flow rates now. Good. Check the pressure logs. Logs are clear. No issues. Proceed.
The sea buckthorn oil is moving through the column. Yes, the color is brightening as it filters. Adjusting the flow rate now for better purity. Good. The extract is looking very promising.
These sea buckthorn saplings are thriving. Yes, the soil is holding moisture well. Look at this leaf structure. Very resilient. A promising start for the plantation. Ready? Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Heave to the truck. Careful on the edge. It's on. Secure it. Good. Next one.
The yield percentages in the sea buckthorn reports are consistent. Yes, and efficiency is up. This chart shows the improvement. Good. Let's confirm the final production numbers. Agreed. The numbers match the target.